Back on May 14th, we did a full video breakdown on ONDS. We talked about why I was extremely bullish on this stock, why I thought that there was a really good chance that price was going to break out. And in this video, what we're going to do is talk about why I was bullish and, more importantly, how far I think this breakout can actually go. Now, I want to start by saying that if you didn't already watch that video, I talked about how I thought that this was going to break out, but I still was not taking the trade. Now, to some of you, that might sound crazy. Why do I think a stock is going to go up, but I'm not going to take the trade? And that's because of risk versus reward. If we take a look at ONDS, or basically any stock that I am going to potentially trade, the first thing that I need to do is understand, is this in a bull cycle or a bear cycle? Now, in order to do this, we need two basic indicators. Number one, 33 fair value band, which you can see right here. Number two, monthly BX trender. When the BX trender is green, it means buying pressure is coming in. When the 33 fair value band is green, it means that we are in a trend. That is bullish, which is exactly what we want. You can see that both of those pieces of criteria were met at that time. Now, the reason that I didn't take this trade is because the bull cycle started all the way back in December of 2023. So this has been in a bull cycle for multiple years now, and the stock is actually up. You can see here on the right side of the screen, over 867% since the cycle started. Now, I need you to understand, this means that if I'm buying today and I didn't make money on the entire move here, then my risk versus reward is not good. I could, because at some point the cycle is going to end, potentially sell off 40, 50%, and my upside is about 30%. That's not that good. And so the reason I sat out is simply because even though the bull cycle was in play, I felt that it wasn't worth it to take it, and I already had a ton of capital tied up in other positions. Now, the other reason that we thought that this was going to break out is that our combined signal system indicator, which looks to find the most potent times to play these breakouts, was also bullish. You'll see that the long-term bull cycle indicator just looks to buy and hold, but it has a lot of dead space, right? Imagine that you traded this breakout here and then just held for over a year to barely make a profit. This indicator looks to instead sell when there's weakness and buy when acceleration is coming back into the stock. You will see that this indicator was also bullish. So we have both aspects of our trading system bullish. And if we go into a daily time frame, you're going to notice that we also had an inverted head and shoulders. Now, this is one of my favorite patterns to trade. Basically, an inverted head and shoulders is a bullish compression pattern. You normally have a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, and a resistance level called a liquidity zone. Now, these liquidity zones are very important because it's an area you will easily be able to tell on your chart where price is either rejecting if it's a resistance or bouncing at if it's a support multiple times. We're not talking about one or two times. We're talking about this rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times before it broke out. Now, the thing with these zones is that price will continue to reject until so much buying pressure comes in that it rips right through the level. That is called a sweep. Now, the catalyst for the rip into this level is Trump investing in drones. And so we see a lot of these drone companies and these drone manufacturers ripping massively today, 22% on ONDS. So looking at this, it's still bullish. I did not trade it. I'm not upset that I didn't trade it. I have more than enough trades that I'm currently focusing on. But if you did take this, congratulations. As far as potential areas to take profit, there are some levels that I am currently looking at. The first level would be at about $16 to $17. This is previous resistance. I think that if I were to see price move up to that way, from there, you'd be up anywhere between 50% to 80%. Taking a little bit off the table is probably a good move, but I do want to bring up that the weekly BX trender just now is turning green. So there's a chance this continues to run to 18, 19, 20 pretty easily. And so I hope that this video helped. If you guys want to get access to all the indicators that we talked about today, they are completely free down in the description. You can get access to our bull cycle trading blueprint, which will give you access to both of the indicators, the 33 fair value band and the monthly BX, for free. No bullshit, no credit card, no, we're going to hit you up later. It's literally just free. The link is down in the description. Thank you guys for all the support. I'll see you next time.